Hey guys, it's Patty from PTV over here with another unboxing. Today I got a package in the mail and my roommate accidentally opened it thinking it was theirs. But it turned out to be mine and I'm not quite sure what it is exactly. But I do have a couple of ideas on what it could be. So we're going to get into this today and whatever it is, we're going to unbox it and do a review of it. So let's get cracking. Thankfully the tape is already taken off, so we can just go ahead and hey. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Fresh sealed air. That's what I love. Nothing I like more than some sealed air product. Okay. Good old fashioned sealed air. Alright, and what is this? Alright, just information. Okay. Yep, let me turn this around. This is the microphone. So recently I ordered a fair bit of things off of the internet, just from random assorted places. And this is one of the things that I happen to be getting. Let me just focus this in. Oh, please don't start vomiting due to the shaking of the camera. That was me, actually. It was intentional. But I got this microphone studio. Going to be using this in my videos. So this will be one of the potatoes that shall be used in the creation of this channel. And on the box we got a little quote that says, "We hear you." So far it looks really high quality. So getting great sound, loving recording. Let's go. Let's get into it. Oh, okay. And on the inside, we see a little pamphlet. Let's see what this pamphlet's about. BM700 instruction manual. So I guess that's the microphone that I got. Let's see. Frequency range, output, acoustic principles, all the specs over here. An introduction. Alright, let's go ahead and read this introduction, why don't we? Congratulations on purchasing the VX-BMA BM700. The BM700 was created to allow you to achieve the very best result from both live performance and in the studio. One of the features of the BM700 is that it has been designed with a professional cardioid pickup pattern which provides increased isolation and sound source. Okay, so basically, yeah, they're saying why this is a really great mic and whatever. Features, okay, polar responses, okay, heavy duty metal body, a cardioid only, large diaphragm, delivers warm clear bass, detailed mid-range, and silky high-end. 3-year warranty, that's nice. High headroom SPL handling, perfect for vocals and musical instruments. So yeah, there's the manual, and this we got a lot of stuff with this one. So this is the that's soft. Yeah, that's real soft. This is the pop filter for the microphone. Go ahead and get a good look at that. Just very well put together, very high quality. Big shout outs to the people behind the VX-BMA. I think they are out of Kentucky and America for the international viewers. But big shout outs to them. Very high quality stuff, very high quality pop filter. And alright, yeah, so I'm just gonna set that to the side and keep going. Next looks like we have our aux, our auxiliary cord to plug in our microphone and connect it to audio sources or computer. So once again, high quality. Feels like it's good cable, nice and thick. We're not going to be accidentally shorting this one anytime soon, so that's good. Alright, Next we have a white piece that looks to be a adapter of sorts to a USB port. So I believe you can actually, is it this small? Is it this small? Yes, it is this small. Okay, so this is for if you want to use it as a USB microphone instead of an auxiliary microphone, which is very, very handy, very, very neat that they threw this in there. Really happy to see this. Makes it a lot more useful, a lot more versatile of a setup. So that's great. Next we have a foam mic cover. Pretty high quality stuff. Really excited to put this to use. And next, I think there's a mic clip for it to be held in a mount or on a stand. And then we have a table clamp or a surface clamp for the microphone arm that I believe comes with this. The clamp, it's a metal clamp, seems to be pretty standard clamp material and pretty standard on how it works. You just screw it up or down to clamp onto the surface that you are looking to use. Alright, and next, just go and give this a tug. We have some, is this salt? No, this is silica gel. Silica gel. We got good old-fashioned silica gel. My favorite part, probably the most valuable part of this entire opening is this silica gel. Oh, jeez. I mean, I actually break some of the other stuff. This silica gel is extremely valuable. Notice how you only get, we've only gotten one pack of this silica gel. This is actually rare Indonesian silica gel from West Indonesia. Very, very, very dangerous to eat. It's often used by assassins. That's why I actually got this microphone set, was to get my hands on some of this sacred silica. It sells for very high on the black market. You can tell it's authentic by the Desiccant on the label, one of the best brands of silica gel that there is. And this definitely makes this purchase worthwhile. No, I'm kidding, but seriously though, we have a beautiful arm holder mount for this suspended mount, which is probably my favorite way to use a microphone, to have a microphone set, is in one of these. So this is how you go ahead and slip it in there. You use these clips to bring it apart, and then you just simply put it back. And then I seem to have also forgotten about that. And then you just slide it in there, close it, got it, screw it onto the pole, and then everything's good to go. Alright, getting towards the end of this. Next we have what I presume to be the arm of the setup. Yep. A spring-loaded arm, a dual spring-loaded arm. Pretty solid. Let me see if I can try to get it in the scope. The scope of this thing out there. Pretty nice. Actually, really nice. I'm not gonna downplay this one. Really nice stand. Really good material. Very sturdy feeling. Very strong. Definitely gonna get some good use out of this. Springs seem to be Very nice quality, very elastic, but at the same time very tough. Definitely gonna hold a lot of weight. Definitely built to last. Very good product. I would definitely recommend this microphone to anybody that is looking to pick up a microphone or just to get a secondary setup. Of course, this is my first setup, so experience would be on the low side, I'm not gonna lie. And then finally, last but not least, we have the actual microphone, the VXBMA BM700. I got the blue one because blue is one of my more liked colors. They did not have purple, which is my favorite color. So blue is a nice secondary. Already looking at this, I can tell that it is a very well put together microphone. Good weight in my hand. Nice finish of the chrome. And of course we have our jack here for just simply plugging in and getting to work. And then that about sums it up. We're definitely going to be using this very soon on the channel, so please stay tuned. Keep it locked in. Comment down below what you'd like to see in the future, what you would like to see for the channel, and if you would like to subscribe, that's always appreciated. Likes also appreciated. And big shout outs to VXBMA, I believe out of Kentucky, of the United States. Go give them a look. They have really great prices, really great products. And with that, this has been Patty. Peace.